Ever wondered how to get voice chat on Roblox? In this guide, we'll show you how to enable and use voice chat in Roblox, allowing you to communicate with other players during gameplay. Voice chat is a feature on Roblox that allows players to use their microphones to talk to others in games that support it. This feature can enhance the gameplay experience by allowing real-time communication with friends and other players, making games more interactive and social. Here's how you can get voice chat on Roblox and start using it. First, ensure that your Roblox account meets the eligibility requirements. Roblox has set some conditions to use voice chat, and not all accounts can access it right away. To use voice chat, your account must be over 13 years old. Roblox verifies your age through the information you provide during account creation or through an additional verification process. To start using voice chat, log into your Roblox account on either a PC or a mobile device. You'll need to verify your age if you haven't already done so. For this, head to the settings menu in your account, ensure that your birth date is set to reflect that you're over 13 years old. If you haven't provided this information, or if it's incorrect, you may need to update it before you can use the voice chat feature. Once your age is verified, you'll need to enable voice chat on your account. Go to Settings and navigate to the Privacy tab. Here, you'll see the Enable Voice Chat option. Toggle it on to activate voice chat for your account. You may also need to go through a verification process, which may include confirming your identity via a phone number or other means. After enabling voice chat, you'll need to test your microphone to ensure it's working properly. Roblox will prompt you to grant access to your microphone, so make sure you accept the permissions request. Once enabled, you can start using voice chat in supported games. Not all Roblox games support voice chat, but the feature is being gradually rolled out to more titles. To see if a game has voice chat enabled, look for the voice chat icon on the game's page. You can also test it in games where voice chat is available by joining and interacting with other players. In conclusion, enabling voice chat on Roblox is a simple process, but it requires you to meet the eligibility criteria and verify your age. Once you have completed the necessary steps, you can enjoy real-time communication with other players in games that support this feature. Make sure your microphone is working and always respect other players by using voice chat responsibly.